TextMare Daisy. In this video, I show how to import data into R. To import data, there are various data formats are available. R can load data in three different formats. They are flat files, Excel files, and R data file formats. Flat files includes CSV files and text file. Excel file includes XLS and XLS extensions, and R data file formats includes RDS and R data. CSV files, as the name is comma separated values, we can export CSV file from many data carrying applications. For example, we can export CSV files from data in an Excel spreadsheet. We can make use of the Save As option. Under that, we can change the file format as CSV. By default, all Excel files will have XLS or XLSX format, but when we make changes, it becomes CSV file. We have to save as CSV file. For example, here the data set includes name, employee ID and salary. These three data are separated by comma. So that is comma separated values. For example, after name there is a comma, and after employee ID there is a comma. So the data set will be understood by RStudio as comma separated values. The values on each line are separated by commas. The first line contains a list of column names. So the first column denotes name, and the second column denotes employee ID, and the last one denotes as salary. It will be understood by the software. Text file is typically similar to CSV file, but we, instead of using commas as separators between the values, text files will include other characters. For example, here I have used the space as the distinction between one column to another column. The first column is name, and there is a space, then employee ID, and there is a space, and salary in the last column. So the software will understand that the first input will be column 1, that is name, and space it becomes column 2, that is employee ID, space it becomes column 3, that is salary. Both CSV file and text file contains data in textual forms, that is characters, but one just uses comma as separator between the values, whereas the other uses tab as character. The main difference between CSV file and text file is CSV file uses comma that separates one column to another column, whereas the text file uses the tab, that is space, between one column to another column to separate it. Let us import the data into R. We can make use of import dataset function, and we can also type the code to load the data. First, let us type the code and load the data. I have stored a data file, a CSV data file, in the name as my data. Now I am going to type the text. The code goes like this. This is my data. I am giving a name for my data. Then I am giving a path. This is read.csv. Then it is stored in the desktop. So the path is c:/users/admin/desktop/my-data.csv. This my data is the data's name, that is the file name that I have given, and this is for storing the data. So you can change any name also, but I am going to keep it as such. So my data read.csv, and I have given the path. Then to view the data, you make use of this command, VIEW view. Then you have to give this one, whatever you have stored here, the same variable you have to give here. So let me execute this. Select the codes and click run. Now we can see the data set has been loaded. So it's a comma separated value file. I have created 3 columns. Column 1 contains 100, 200, 300, and column 2 contains A1, A2, A3, and column 3 contains B1, B2, B3. And the next method is we can make use of this import dataset option in the right side top corner. So click import dataset, then you can see the data formats that are supported. So you can import the dataset that is stored in SPSS, in SAS, in Stata, from XLS, and even from the text. Now I'm going to load the data from Excel. So click from Excel. Now another window, you can make use of this file /URL. If you know the path, you can copy and paste it, or else go to browse, then locate where your data. Now my data name is rsampledata.xls. The data is getting retrieved. Now you can see the data has been retrieved. You can also see the code here. So to import the XLS, that is Excel dataset, we have to load library read Excel, and then we can create the path and click import. But now we are not typing any code, just click browse and locate your data, then click import. Now you can see the data has been imported. In the data, my data, there are 3 observations. In R sample data also there are 3 observations. We can see here the data has been loaded into R console and R script. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this.